Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save tab groups in Microsoft Edge. So for you to save your tab in group in Microsoft Edge, what you have to do is come here and click on favorite. Then you create a folder for your tab. Here I'm going to name this particular folder quick access. So quick access. Good. Then once you create the folder, then you will come here and select the tab you want to save in group to this particular folder. You click on it, then click on this, then you can see you can click the folder, you can select the folder you want to save this particular tab into, quick access, then you click on done. That's it, and that is how to save your tab and group to your favorite. So for it, thank you very much.